Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of IMVU on your phone, which gives you unlimited resources of credits. So keep watching the video and I will show you exactly how to download it. It actually works and it's super crazy. So if you like to play a IMVU, then you probably wouldn't mind a modded version of the game, which I'm going to show you exactly how to download in this video. Just keep watching, it's going to work for you. Basically, all you have to do in IMVU++ is to simply type your desired amount of credits. You can type any amount of credits as you want. Just go ahead and type it and make sure it is turned on like this. Now, when you go ahead and simply hold this next button, it should send into your account. After finishing, open your account and as you can see, the exact amount of resources just loaded up. It is super easy and I'm going to show you how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over the pinned comments down below. There I explain exactly where you can get IMVU++. So just head over the pinned comments, leave a like if this method works for you at the end, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.